Hey guys, man. Hey, welcome back. JB King of Cars here with another banging video. Now tonight I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Everybody that knows me knows I like to take old things and make them new again. I like to put my little twist, basically to pimp things out. And I'm pretty excited about this 2012 26-foot Salem travel trailer with the slide out. You know, I've always wanted a slide out. I've had lots of campers, never had a slide out, and I like them because they just put a whole nother dimension to your camping experience. Bought this one, marketplace, private party, and got it back. And I bought it back in November, and here it is, April. So I figured I'd bring it down, do a little cleaning, check it out, make sure everything works on it. Found out I needed some tires. But the biggie that really got me scared was the slide out, man. Pulled the slide out, could not get it back in. I went, did this, tried fuses, tried everything. So finally I looked at a YouTube video and it kind of went into how you manually crank it closed. And so I went underneath the camper, and as you can see, there's a 5/8, like kind of a deal that you can put a 5/8 on. You can ratchet it closed, and let me tell you something, it's not an easy task. It probably took me about 25 minutes just to get it ratchet closed. It doesn't go in easy. Managed to get it closed, and immediately took it out to a place right here in Hugo, Minnesota. It's called Camper World up in Hugo. And man, let me tell you, these people get a 10 on the Richter scale, man. Great operation, professional, courteous, and they seem to know what they're talking about. $150 is what they typically charge to even look at anything. But because all I needed was a charged battery, man, they didn't charge me anything. Hooked me up. They even walked me around the camper and showed me some cool things. And so far, everything's working out pretty good. So I'm really, really happy with the camper. And I'm looking forward to my first excursion. Going to be coming up here in a week. And I'm going to film that so everybody can see it. And we're going out to the Meadows, the Dakota Meadows at the Mystic Lake Casino. So stay tuned for that video, and hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.